Number 2 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer. If you're an architect looking for a reliable 3D printer, the FLASHFORGE Guider IIS is the way to go. With its large build volume, you can quickly bring your designs to life. The intelligent auto-leveling feature ensures that your prints are always of the highest quality. You won't have to worry about the platform height during printing, as the printer takes care of it. The Guider IIS supports a wide range of filaments, so you can experiment with various materials and textures to create stunning models. This printer covers whether you want to print with PLA, ABS, nylon, or carbon fiber composite materials. Moreover, the dual platform and resume printing features make printing a hassle-free experience. You can switch between platforms for quick heating and fast adhesion, while the printer can continue printing from where it left off in case of an unexpected stoppage. The HEPA 13 air filter and built-in HD camera add to the convenience and safety of the Guider IIS. You can monitor your prints in real time, while the air filter ensures a safe and comfortable indoor operating environment. If you are interested in the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.